Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some antique farmhouse kitchen decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Antique farmhouse kitchen decor typically features vintage or antique items that evoke a cozy, rustic feel reminiscent of old farmhouses. This could include items such as weathered wooden furniture, distressed finishes, vintage kitchen utensils, mason jars, enamelware, old-fashioned signac, farmhouse synth, exposed wooden beams, and perhaps even antique appliances like a vintage stove or refrigerator. The color palette tends to be earthy and muted, with lots of whites, creams, browns, and pastels. Overall, it is about creating a warm and inviting space with nostalgic charm. Antique farmhouse kitchen interior decoration involves incorporating vintage and rustic elements into the design to create a charming, nostalgic ambience. This may include using reclaimed wood for countertops or flooring, installing a farmhouse synth, incorporating antique or distressed furniture pieces, displaying vintage kitchenware and utensils, adding decorative touches like old-fashioned signac or enamelware accents, and using a color palette that includes earthy tones and muted hues. It is all about creating a cozy and welcoming atmosphere that reflects the simplicity and warmth of traditional farmhouse kitchens from the past. Here are some tips for decoration an antique farmhouse kitchen interior. Number 1. Embrace natural materials. Use reclaimed wood for countertops, flooring, or shelving to add warmth and authenticity to the space. Incorporate natural stone or mudcar block surfaces for a rustic touch. Number 2. Vintage furniture. Look for antique or distressed furniture pieces such as farmhouse tables, chairs, or hot chests to anchor the room. These pieces add character and charm while providing functional storage and seating options. Number 3. Farmhouse sink. Install a farmhouse sink with an apron front for a classic look that is both practical and stylish. Pair it with vintage-inspired buckets and fixtures to complete the traditional farmhouse aesthetic. Number 4. Display vintage kitchenware. Showcase collections of vintage kitchenware such as enamelware, mason jars, or antique utensils on open shelves or hanging racks. These items add visual interest and evoke a sense of nostalgia. Number 5. Distressed finishes. Incorporate distressed or weathered finishes on cabinetry, furniture, or accessories to create a worn-in, lived-in look that is characteristic of farmhouse style. Number 6. Old-fashioned signac. Add decorative elements like vintage-inspired signac or chalkboards with handwritten messages to infuse the space with a whimsy and personality. Number 7. Soft color palette. Stick to a soft and muted color palette inspired by nature, including whites, creams, soft blues, and muted greens. These colors create a calming and inviting atmosphere. Number 8. Textured fabrics. Use textured fabrics such as linen, cotton, or burlap for window treatments, chair cushions, or table runners to enhance the tactile appeal of the space. Number 9. Vintage lighting. Choose lighting fixtures with a vintage or industrial vibe, such as pendant lights with metal shades or rustic candeliers with exposed bulbs to illuminate the kitchen while adding character. Number 10. Accessories thoughtfully. Add finishing touches such as antique wall clocks, vintage-inspired artwork, fresh flowers in old-fashioned pictures, or oven baskets for storage to complete the look. By completing these elements and paying attention to detail, you can create a charming antique farmhouse kitchen interior that is both timeless and inviting. Number 11. Open shelving. Install open shelving made from reclaimed wood or wood iron brackets to display vintage dishes, glassware, and cookware. This adds visual interest and makes items easily accessible. Number 12. Farmhouse table. Incorporate a large farmhouse table as the focal point of the kitchen. This provides a gathering space for family and friends and adds the rustic charm of the room. Number 13. Herb garden. Create a small herb garden on the windowsill or countertop using vintage planters or mason jars. Not only does this add a touch of greenery but also provides fresh herbs for cooking. Number 14. Antique apothecary jars. Use antique apothecary jars to store dry goods such as flour, sugar, and pasta. These decorative containers add vintage flair while keeping pantry items organized. Number 15. Vintage textiles. Incorporate vintage textiles such as crane, sack pillows, hand woven rugs, or embroidered tea towels to add texture and warmth to the space. Number 16. Decorative hardware. Upgrade cabinet hardware with vintage-inspired knobs and pulls in wrought iron, brass, or porcelain finishes. This small detail can make a big impact on the overall look of the kitchen. Number 17. Barn doors. Install sliding barn doors on pantry or cabinet opening to add architectural interest and rustic charm. Choose weathered wood or distressed finishes to enhance the farmhouse aesthetic. Number 8. Exposed beams. If your kitchen has exposed ceiling beams, highlight them with a natural wood finishes or whitewash for a rustic look. This architectural detail adds character and depth to the space. Number 19. Vintage cookware display. Hang vintage cast iron, silicates, copper pots, or antique cooking utensils on the wall as decorative accents. Not only does this add visual interest, but it also celebrates the history of cooking. Number 20. Personal touches. Incorporate personal touches such as family heirlooms, vintage photographs, or handmade pottery to make the space feel unique and meaningful to you. Number 21. Functional storage. Utilize vintage-inspired storage solutions such as oil baskets, wooden crates, or glass canisters to keep kitchen essentials organized and easily accessible. Consider incorporating a freestanding pantry or pie shelf for additional storage space. Number 22. Natural elements. Bring the outdoors in by incorporating natural elements such as fresh flowers, potted herbs, or rustic wooden bowls filled with seasonal fruits or vegetables. These touches add color and vitality to the space. Number 23. Mismatched chairs. Create an eclectic dining area by mixing and matching vintage chairs around the farmhouse table. Look for chairs with different styles, finishes, and upholstery. for a charming and relaxed vibe. Number 24. Repurposed finds. Get creative with repurposed vintage finds, such as old doors, windows, or self-hosted architectural elements. Use them as decorative accents, room dividers, or even as functional pieces of furniture. Number 25. Country chic accents. Add country chic accents such as gingham or floral patterned fabrics, often wicker baskets, or distressed wooden sign with whimsical quotes or sayings. These elements enhance the cozy and welcoming atmosphere of the kitchen. Number 26. Vintage-inspired appliances. Consider incorporating vintage-inspired appliances with modern functionality, such as retro-style refrigerator or stoves in classic colors like buttered yellow, mint green, and cherry red. These appliances add a nostalgic touch while providing the convenience of modern technology. Number 27. Seasonal decor. Change up the decor with the seasons by incorporating seasonal accents, such as pumpkins and gourds in the fall, evergreen branches in pine cones in the winter, or fresh flowers and herbs in the spring and summer. This keeps the kitchen feeling fresh and inviting year-round. Number 28. Focal point. Create a focal point in the kitchen with a statement piece, such as a vintage candelier, oversized clock, or decorative wall art. This draws the eye and adds visual interest to the space. Number 29. Cozy sitting nook. If space allows, create a cozy sitting nook with a built-in bench, cushions upholstered in vintage fabrics, and a farmhouse-style table or bistro set. This provides a comfortable spot for enjoying a cup of coffee or reading a book. Number 30. Authenticity. Overall, embrace authenticity and imperfection. When decorating your antique farmhouse kitchen, incorporate genuine vintage finds, embrace patina and wire, and let the history and character of the space shine through. Number 31. Distress finishes. Opt for distress or edged finishes on cabinetry, furniture, and accessories to evoke a sense of history and warmth. Techniques like distressing, whitewashing, or sanding to give new pieces an antique look or restore old pieces to their former glory. Number 32. Vintage artwork. Incorporate vintage artwork or prints that complement the farmhouse aesthetic, such as botanical illustrations, landscape paintings, or vintage advertisements. Look for pieces with weathered frames or edged patina to enhance the antique feel. Number 33. Functional workspaces. Design functional workspaces with plenty of countertop space for food preparation and cooking. Consider adding a burger block, island, or a vintage kitchen cart for extra workspace and storage. Number 34. Antique hardware. Pay attention to hardware detail, such as drawer pulls, cabinet knobs, and door handles. Choose antique-inspired hardware in brass, iron, or bronze finishes to add authenticity and charm to cabinetry and furniture. Number 35. Reclaimed materials. Use reclaimed materials whenever possible to add character and sustainability to your kitchen design. Consider incorporating reclaimed wood for flooring, ceiling beams, or accent walls, or repurpose self-hosted architectural elements like old doors or windows as decorative features. Number 36. Vintage textiles. Integrate vintage textiles into your kitchen decor through curtains, table linens, and upholstery. Look for fabrics with traditional patterns like stripes, checks, or florals in muted colors to enhance the farmhouse vibe. Number 37. Farmhouse chic lighting. Choose lighting fixtures that complement the farmhouse aesthetic, such as pendant lights with glass or metal shades, rustic candeliers with exposed bulbs, or vintage-inspired sconces. Consider installing dimmer switches to adjust the lighting levels and create ambience. Number 38. Farmhouse pantry. Create a dedicated pantry area with open shelving or glass front cabinets to showcase pantry staples like jars or preserves, canned goods, and dry ingredients. Use vintage labels or handwritten tags to label items and add nostalgic charm. Number 39. Family heirlooms. Incorporate family heirlooms and cherished antiques into your kitchen decor to personalize the shape and honor your family history. Display vintage serving pitchers, heirloom cookware, or antique kitchen gadgets as conservation starters and focal points. Number 40. Coordinated color scheme. Choose a cohesive color scheme for your antique farmhouse kitchen that reflect the natural beauty of the countryside. Consider pairing of neutral like creams, beige, or grey with accents of muted green, blue, or yellow to create a serene and timeless look. By considering these detailed aspects, you can create a truly authentic and inviting antique farmhouse kitchen interior that celebrates the beauty of the past while meeting the needs of modern day living. Antique farmhouse kitchen decor typically features vintage or antique items that evoke a cozy, rustic feel, reminiscent of old farmhouses. This could include items such as weathered wood furniture, distressed finishes, vintage kitchen utensils, mason jars, enamelware, old-fashioned signac, farmhouses sink, exposed wooden beams, and perhaps even antique appliances like a vintage stove or refrigerator. The color palette tends to be earthy and muted, with lots of whites, creams, browns, and pastels. Overall, it is about creating a warm and inviting space with nostalgic charm. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel and support me. Thank you.